reminisce and remember days of old when he used to come through here as a youth. Pull it and shut it up for me. Pull it. Got a vehicle in front of me. I'm gonna let him get up a little bit. I usually drive faster than most. Water runoff. Coming to the back village. Is this still Kolovai or no?
Yeah.
Yep, still Kolovai.
It's solar.
The solar power plant over here.
We gotta stop here. Let's see if they're gonna let us go here or no. Go.
Which way?
Oh.
Oh, no, this way or this way?
No, tan no pergi because alun di saya.
Tahu. Pepe.
Alun di saya. Okay, oglav pe kita alun jai. Oh, okay, kalau liu kawan ni eh. Okay.
Back up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't go through it. What
Malo,
about that road? Where does that road go? Mali
No, en road.
This road goes to the beach.
It's okay. Saya pe alun jai.
Iyo, malo.
Kau apa tu?
Oh, that's one of the noble, the king,
Yeah.
the king's house.
He's over there. There's the army guy watching there.
Soldier, huh? The soldier is
Yeah.
the guard shack over there. He said,
Yeah.
"Nope, you can't come through here. This is the Tui is over there. The king is over there."
There's the name of the thing, Liu Kawa.
New
There's-
Tower.
See how different it did before the me and Popo and them came. We just come here, but that was not back there. You can look through where the place at. Now it's covered with all trees. You see, that's the guys watching me. Okay, who is these two fools that wanna come right through to the king's
Property, huh? You can't come through here, buddy. Go somewhere else. This king's land, king's property here.
We'll see how Tonga is. The army don't carry an M16.
The army don't have a gun on them at all.
Like if this was America to protect
Right. To keep
Donald Trump, it's
Yeah.
gonna be a
AR-15, M16, SKS, something.
You wanna go to this place, or we gonna head to the blowhole? This is almost the same with the one that we said last. This is going way far.
All right, we're gonna turn around then.
Yeah. But we find some place that. Look at this. This is a nice spot for kicking back and making something else. You can run an ice house here. You think your video make get the sodium too?
Yeah. Well, we're going to go to the blowholes instead of driving because it's quite a ways back through all that back brush and through all kinds of back roads.
We've been to the beach.
And we already were on that side of the beach. You could see, you know, the whole shoreline. So we're just going to go to the blowholes from here.
We'll stop by the Malay and then...
Yes, the Fowi Malay. I'll stop there and make sure. I do a little video footage. My wife's village, her father, Kuriloa Sakona. That's his village, Fowi. So I will stop there for the Sakonas, Mataeres, Palaunis, and all their family connections.
Solar is right here.
And to the left of us is all solar paneling for this village in this area.
All mostly for the Tongan, not the only Golomani.
Right. But here's the sad thing. They're getting the solar free electric because they put the solar, but they're charging the people for the electric power. But they're getting it now that they set it up. It's free sun power.
When the first time we come, then Mahapil Naktas sustained and once you can look all the way to that. There's Liukawa. Say, tell them that you've been to Liukawa. See, the road's different, huh? It's a little better than every road.
Right.
Because it's for
The
King's Road.
Right. Because the king's house is back there, they at least maintenance this road enough to be not a piece of crap road. What do these guys got?
Solar. Is that the football field?
Onto the blowholes and record a little bit over there. Make sure we're safe. Watch for traffic.
Kolowai. Farewell from Kolowai.
More tourists, huh?
I look at the security. I thought he's a girl.
I thought it was a girl too at first.
Then he thought he's a guy.
Yeah, I thought it was a girl guard too.
There was a club over there. You need to slow down for this Malay here. This where the Malay they want to
Record.
it.
The Sakona.
Yeah, you can go video.
Yeah, this is the store we used to come to get our.
There's the Malay right here. You can go look, see, you get slow down.
All right.
The first Malay that I saw is a Sekona.
LA. Just coming through. Family members asked me to come and record the Pauwi Malai. So I figured I'll come do that for some. And that's my son's name. My son is named Vahai. Josiah Vahai Wallace. A nice flower setup right there. Inside there. I don't see any particular Sakona names. I see Mata Ele that I recognize. And Bahai I recognize. Wow, that's my son's name, Josiah, mixed with Vahai. I see where his name came from my wife's Sakona side.
It's mushy. It's the Sakona part.
Where?
The front.
Oh, that's the very front one. I didn't even pay attention to that. Right here is the Sakona and Fifita over there. And another Sakona. Okay. Another Sakona. Well, I hope I'm at the right Sakona family Malaya that everybody was asking for. Or a couple of people asked me to come in this video. To the next